Welcome. If you've ever accidentally marked an email as spam in Gmail, you're not alone. It happens to the best of us, and luckily, it's an easy fix. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unreport spam on Gmail using your mobile app, so you never miss an important message again. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the correct Gmail account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. From the list of folders that appears, scroll down and tap on Spam. This folder is where Gmail stores all the messages it thinks might be junk or unwanted. You might find newsletters, promotions, or even legitimate emails that got mistakenly flagged. Take a moment to scan through and find the email you actually want to keep. Next, open the email you want to unreport as spam. Once you've got it open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots that open a small menu of options. Go ahead and tap those. From the menu, choose the option labeled Report Not Spam. Once you do that, Gmail will immediately move the email back into your regular inbox. This tells Gmail that messages from this sender are safe and that you want to keep receiving them in your main mail feed. It's that simple. A few quick taps and your email is back where it belongs. If you ever find important messages slipping into your spam folder, checking it occasionally can save you from missing something essential like a verification code, a client reply, or a long-awaited package update. And there you have it, your updated guide to unreporting spam in Gmail. Now you can take control of your inbox and make sure your important messages stay front and center.